Hey guys, Mitch Grooms back with another video of a broken new car. This is a 2024 Chevrolet Silverado with 7,000 miles on it. Let's see, how many miles? 6,000 miles right there. All right, and here's the complaint. It is a transmission fluid pump. And there's all the codes and everything else, so let you know. All right, here's another one. I told you about new cars. Y'all be careful, more to come. Oh, let me get out and show it to you. I'll do that. All right, there's the video. All right guys, more to come later. Hey, it's Mitch Grooms. Do I have a good one for you today? This vehicle has 18 miles on it. We have an issue. Let's get back to it. All right, guys, back in the 18 miles, and this thing will not shift out of first gear. 18 miles. So guys, I'm back. We have 18 miles on this Nissan Rogue, and it won't get out of first gear. It's brand new. Here you go. So this is what I've been saying about these new vehicles. There's a lot of problems with these things, and now, as you will see, 18 miles and it will not go into get out of first gear. So let's see what happens. Backing up. All right, going back to our place, and oh, it did that time. Okay, we might get there. We're gonna try it. All right guys, now we have 39 miles, and we just now got to Nissan, and here is the paperwork. And you got the ABS light on. I'm waiting for my transporter to get me back to our home office. So I'm sitting here waiting to get this thing pulled up. But again, this is a new vehicle and we have issues with these things. And again, I wanted to let everybody know that new cars are not really that safe these days. 39 miles. All right, hope you like this this stuff, and we got more to come. All right, thanks guys. Hey, Mitch Green's back for another video. We have a 2024 Hyundai Sonata with 17,000 miles, and isn't that pretty? We have issues again. This is an electrical issue with this vehicle, and it's going back to the dealership. Ain't that pretty, guys? Look at that. So again, here's another car that has issues, and we are taking it back to the dealership. And just again, these cars are really, really messed up. All right, here's another one. I'll get you an outside view later on. Bye. Hey, so guys, here we are again. The screen is totally dead. Totally went out. 2024 Hyundai Sonata, 17,000 miles. All right. So interesting, huh? Am I shocked? No, I'm not shocked. Not at all. 17,000 miles, guys. Here we go again. Hey guys, Mitch Grooms back for another video. This right here is a 2025 Nissan Versa with 6,000 miles on it. All right, here is the complaint.
Customer states driver's seat adjustment not working. Found that the bolts that hold the seat adjustment for up and down movement have come out and will not take new bolts. Possible seat base may need to be replaced. Ain't that crazy? 6,000 miles. Here it is. Now, guys, if you think this new car is going to hold up, no. Let me show you the outside of the car. If I can get out of it. Show you the outside. I'm waiting for my ride to come pick me up. So, brand new car. All right. Like I said before, these new cars, they're not going to hold up. All right. More to come, guys. More to come.